Will he, won't he? All eyes are on Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh. Let's get in a word from BJP spokesperson Siddharth Nath Singh and Congress spokesperson Priyanka Chaturvedi. They're both joining us live this evening. Siddharth Nath Singh, I want to come to you first. This entire discourse about the Prime Minister losing credibility, isn't the entire UPA government facing a credibility crisis after multiple scams of corruption? Why is there a constant effort to distance the UPA government from the Congress party? Siddharth Nath Singh, can you hear me?
Hello?
Siddharth, can you hear me?
Well, not really. I was hearing you. Hello?
Yes, my question to you is, what do you make of this entire discourse of the Prime Minister losing credibility and that he should not be allowed to stay in office? If anything, the UPA government has been facing a credibility crisis because of those multiple scams.
Well, certainly the Prime Minister from day one has never enjoyed the credibility of the chair that he holds. There has been pulls and pressures on him coming from 10 Janpath or the National Advisory Council. So, he has been recently more of a lame duck Prime Minister, and particularly when he was travelling abroad, an ordinance which we also never supported on the convicted candidates or convicted lawmakers, but the way Rahul Gandhi tried to well, I would say embarrass the Prime Minister when he was abroad, showed how much control he has on his government. And therefore, the Prime Minister should have, in our opinion, and largely in the public opinion, should have resigned the day one to uphold the chair or the Prime Minister's position in India, which he never did. Now it's we are hearing that the Rahul Gandhi will be declared as the Prime Minister. Then, well, it's the prerogative of the Congress to announce or not to announce. But certainly there is going to be a debate, and we are seeing number of voices coming from Congress whether he will or he will not. Now the question is not on Rahul Gandhi or anything. The question is, will Rahul Gandhi own up to the corruptions and the misgovernance of the Congress-led UPA, or they would like to slam it on Manmohan Singh and then say Rahul Gandhi is clean, so we have nothing to do with the other government, which he has been recently doing, whether it's other scam and many other things which he has done in the recent past.
The question is whether the Congress party will turn the Prime Minister into a scapegoat. Priyanka Chaturvedi, I want to come to you now. Why is the Congress party not making its stand clear? Why doesn't it just declare its Prime Ministerial candidate and issue a statement saying that the Prime Minister will complete its full term?
Now, here's the thing. I was listening to Mr. Singh, and all I'd like to say is, coming from a party which gets all its instructions from Nagpur and has a PM candidate who did not step down during the peak of riots despite a request from the Prime Minister, the then Prime Minister, is a fine one to make these comments. Now, coming to your question. Now, we as a party have always maintained and have always continued to speak on the work that we've done, speak of our governance and whatever work we've done, and we've presented that to the people of the country. And that has been our focus and our primary, thumb rule. That's what we've been doing. Now, pushing us into, just because X or Y wants us to declare a PM candidate, we're not going to do that. And our President has clearly said that we will declare a PM candidate at an opportune time. So I think the entire discussion is based on a lot of speculation, a lot of conjectures, just because there has been a press conference that has been announced. So I would want to refrain from commenting any further on something like this.
All right, but Priyanka, I want to ask you, is there not an effort by the Congress party to distance itself from the failings of the UPA government? Every time the UPA government comes under fire, demands for Rahul Gandhi's coronation gather more steam.
No, I do not know on what basis are we discussing this, simply because UPA has done some tremendous work in its tenure, and we have a lot of work that we have done and we will speak for during the upcoming elections. So I would really not understand why are we even debating something like this, that there have been speculations.
That's because senior Congress Minister Chidambaram has come out and issued a statement saying there is need for the Congress party to announce its Prime Ministerial candidate at this point.
No, considering all our senior leaders are voicing their opinions, everyone in the party has, an opportunity to voice their opinion, what they feel, and whatever decision needs to be taken, like the party president mentioned, that the declaration would come at an opportune time. So let's just wait for that.
All right, Siddharth Singh, what do you make of this response that you're getting in from the Congress party? Is there a feeling probably within the Congress that they really have to think before putting up a candidate to match Narendra Modi's charisma?
No,
well, let me just remind Priyanka Chaturvedi ji.
Match someone's so-called charisma.
No, let me just comment on Priyanka ji what she has just said. That it's not necessary for the Congress to decide if some X and Y are making a statement. But let me remind her, these X and Y are not the BJP guys, and neither they are from the media. They are your ministers who have voiced differently, whether it is Manish Tiwari contradicting Chidambaram or Chidambaram contradicting Prime Minister. So I don't know, but these X and Ys are certainly from your party and they are responsible ministers. Now the issue is, once again, a debate which is going in the Congress. How do we distance ourselves with this current government and Prime Minister Manmohan Singh's tenure, where we have seen a huge corruption happening, we have seen an economic situation which has just gone out of hand, we have seen the policy paralysis happening in the government, nothing seems to be happening. We have seen the international standard agency, rating agencies lowering or making India look negative. So all these things have happened and the Congress is thinking perhaps it is the right way to distance Mr. Manmohan Singh the way they have done earlier Narasimha Rao and other non-dynastic Prime Minister from the Congress, and blame everything on him and take it as a fresh on Rahul Gandhi that he is clean, he wants things to happen. But that's a debate which is going in the Congress. They have, and the reason they are debating is because they know what's the final results going to be. They know they are unable to face the BJP candidate, Prime Minister candidate, as on his record as governance, administration, and also on corruption issues.
Priyanka, quick reaction from you.
Which the Congress is mulling and they have no answer as of yet.
When he talks about, when he no, can I make a point here?
Yeah, please go ahead.
When he talks about policy paralysis, we have seen what a responsible opposition they have been in the parliament, disrupting parliament at every session. Now, secondly, when he talks about corruption, now let's be very clear. We have a government which has taken action against those who have been found not doing work as per, the prescribed way. So we have taken action against those. Now I would like to ask him, he talks about the their prime ministerial candidate. He has two people sitting in his cabinet who are convicted people and they have still not stepped down. He hasn't spoken a word about it. You have Yedi coming back into the BJP. They are speaking nothing about it. He talks on corruption. He talks on development. What development are we talking about when we punch out just so many holes in the Gujarat model of development that he's been speaking of?
All right, so clearly corruption is an issue that the BJP and the Congress both have to address. The focus really is on the suspense on whether or not Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh will step down in that crucial press conference.
And when he talks about stepping down, what was the Prime Ministerial candidate doing when he was expected to do the same in 2002? When he was, which we all know the past of 2002.
All right. I'm afraid this debate will never end. Focus is on whether or not the Prime Minister will step down before the 2014 elections. That crucial announcement expected next year in January. There's also a crucial AICC meeting that's expected on the 17th of January, where an announcement could be made. Siddharth Singh and Priyanka Chaturvedi, thanks so much for speaking to us on Headlines today.